Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if your voice chat isn't working in Roblox, this video will guide you through several solutions. First, you need to open Roblox on your device, or you can also launch a web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your account. Now tap on the get icon in the top right corner to access your settings. Look for more and then find and click on the settings option within it. Now in settings, go to the privacy section. Go to the privacy and content restrictions. Here, select communication. Go to the voice data usage option and then toggle this on. This will enable voice chat if the option is available. Note that this option isn't available for all accounts. If you have it, turn it on and restart Roblox. If Roblox voice chat option isn't there, you need to verify your account. This is crucial. Voice chat won't work without account verification. So to do this, you need to go to Roblox. You must open Roblox in a web browser. The app cannot work. And go to settings and then go to profile and then go to account info. And there you'll find the option to verify your account. You'll need to use an ID to confirm your identity. Voice chat will be enabled once the verification is complete. Next, make sure that you've selected the correct microphone in Roblox. Go to privacy and content restrictions. Ensure that the correct microphone is selected. Also check your microphone settings in the windows. Press the Windows key plus I to open settings, or you can select this Windows button and then select Gear, and then select the Gear icon to access your settings. And here select your microphone. If it's not listed, click on Add Device to add it and set the volume to between 80% and 100%. You can also try fixing the voice chat service error. Press Windows key plus R to open the run command, and here type in services.msc and hit enter on your keyboard. Now find Windows Audio, right-click on it and select Restart. Do the same for Windows Audio Endpoint Builder and then restart Roblox. Finally, if you're using VPN, try temporarily disabling it as well as your firewall and then restart Roblox. So these are some solutions to fix voice chat issues in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.